Okay?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Then the small board, that's why it's supposed to be run liquid cooling. But if you run liquid cooling, you throw it all, but they got too dark, you can't make nothing.